Alright, people. Welcome. Hello. I don't really do shit like this. But, anyways, I'm going to be showing y'all how to download BVE trains, routes, all of that. Since some of y'all bots don't know how to do it. But, for the basics, first thing, you already know. OpenBVE, download. Oh, shit, I should look like that. Then you can get the most stable one. It's recommended. I mean, it's not recommended. It all depends on what type of routes you have. They use like if they use the older version, but if you're new to this, I recommend just using the older version. Now, okay, so my internet wants to be. Oh, I do not have a Mac. Well, let me delete that. I do not have a Mac. Alright, alright, here we go. Is it gonna open? Alright, so this should want to be gay. Alright, got you. Alright, there we go. You click more info, run anyway. Yes. Whatever language you speak. Next, install. Install everything. Okay, open the OpenBVE add-ons. So, here you go. I have all my stuff here. A division, B division. Now, let's start off with routes, because that's the main issue people have problems with. So, you're going to have, like, if you don't have a folder called Object Root and Sound when you first download the app, right? You're going to want to click New and just add a folder and then rename it to all of this. Now, you're going to need WinRAR. To download your stuff, because when you download your files, you need to extract it so it doesn't kick you from the game when you load it. Download WinRAR. When you do that, just follow installation, and then so after that you wanna like go to like YouTube, wherever you wanna find content. Let's start off with trains, right? My Wi-Fi is pretty slow, so yeah. We're gonna go with the like. Nah, my Wi-Fi is mad slow right now. We're gonna go with the. Let's download the R16, right? Alright. That's easy. 62. Don't have slow Wi-Fi like me, please. But anyways, after that's done, you see how it shows as a WinRAR, right? So what you're gonna want to do is, here's two ways you can do this. I recommend doing this the bot way. What I would do is just drag it out. I'll just drag it out to my wallpaper. Now, if you're a complete bot, if you don't play on macOS, you can delete that. If you're a complete bot, drag it to your thing. Ooh, click on it, then right click WinRAR. Depends if you're on Windows 11 or 10, but extract files. Okay. Now let that do its work. Now you see, it's showing as a compressed thing. It's like it's a folder now, so it's extracting. Open your OpenBVE add-ons. Go to legacy content, train. All you have to do not do any stupid shit. Literally, all you have to do is take the train. Oh god, take the train and put it in just the train folder. That's all you have to do. And then when you go to VVE, go back. Look, it's right there. See? It's right there. Now for routes is a bit more complex. So what you're gonna do is back to BVR. There's many sources you can get content from. But I recommend here, because everything objects what you need is here. There's TFOs. TFOs are like automatic trains in the other side. Recommend if only if you have a good laptop. 2 or a good PC. 3 line. You download the 3 line. Alright. Download it. Make sure it's a WinRAR. If you're on Windows 11 and it's not showing up as WinRAR, you go to default apps. You're gonna want to type in zip. You go click here and make sure it's a WinRAR. Make sure it's not File Explorer. It's WinRAR. Alright. Wait for that download. Slow Wi-Fi. Open this. Look, object, root, and sound. Alright? So, drag that to your wallpaper. Right click. WinRAR. Extract files, not extract here. Extract files. Let it go. Boom, boom. It's getting all the stations and stuff. Alright, here we go. Now open it. Now look, put that to the side. Open your add-ons folder. This is where it gets complex. Now, because I don't want to mess up, I already have this route, and I don't want to mess up anything in my folders. I'm just pretend like, all right, we're gonna call this test object. You don't have to actually do this. These are what you're actually going to use. Object, root, sound. But it's because I don't want to mess up my stuff. It's all right now. Test root. This shit is not gonna work if you name it to this. Make sure it just says object, root, sound. I'm just testing. So now let's say like you get the route. Some routes don't always come with objects, so you have to be aware of that. So you select all the objects that are in object, right? Select all of it, put it in the object folder. You would put it in this object folder. This is just a test I'm showing you. You put it in the object folder, please. Now, roots, same thing. Take the root. You would put it in the root folder. Sound, same thing. Don't open it and then select everything in it and then try to put it in. Just put it in. Pause. Just put it in the folder. Simple. Don't try to open it and do any crap. That's literally all you have to do. As I stated, don't actually name your stuff sound. Don't name it like, don't do that. Please don't do that. Just name it object, root, sound. Cause like it's just easier. Object, root, sound is all you have to do. Because just for reasons. Just don't make it more complicated. It will probably work if you rename it to some shit, but just keep it object, root, sound. That's how half of the community has it. Most of the community has it, matter of fact. Now I have a roller coaster route, so I can show you this works. This is just a test. Show you that it works. I can link the roller coaster route in the description, just so anyone who wants to test train this shit. I always use this route to test the train to see. As you see. Alright, well, that was pretty fun. As you see though, the train works. Escape. Customize your keybinds, all of that. The train works. Oh, now y'all don't have to be confused anymore on how to download trains. On my background, it sounds like there's a fan behind me, but you don't have to be confused anymore on how to download trains. It's just that easy, simple as that. Now some files are way larger, so it might take time, but you do the same procedure, same thing I showed you. Just put it object, route, sound. No S's, anything. Object, route, sound. Simple as that. Now, if anyone needs any more help, just comment and I will help you. Okay, bye.